Imagine waking up in the morning, pouring yourself a cup of coffee, and realizing that while you were sleeping, your business was making money, completely without your involvement. No frantic emails, no late-night problem-solving, just freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just possible. It's a reality for thousands of entrepreneurs who've built systems that allow their businesses to thrive without them. In this video, we're going to break down how you can build a business that doesn't just pay the bills, but gives you the one thing money can't buy: time freedom. And guess what? We're going to take inspiration from timeless business principles and break them down step by step. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to turn your business into a well-oiled machine, running on autopilot. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who's ready to transform their life. Let's get started. The foundation. It's all about systems. Now, let me tell you a story. Picture a man named Jason. Jason owned a small graphic design agency. At first, he loved the work. Creativity fueled him, and his clients were thrilled. But as his business grew, so did his responsibilities. Soon, Jason wasn't designing anymore. He was stuck managing, putting out fires, and dealing with an endless list of tasks. Jason's big breakthrough came when he realized something. A business isn't truly a business unless it can operate without you. Up until then, he didn't have a business. He had a job he couldn't quit. What changed? Jason discovered the power of systems. He created processes for every aspect of his business: onboarding clients, managing projects, invoicing, and even hiring. These systems became the backbone of his company, and they freed him to focus on the big picture. If you want a business that runs without you, the first step is clear. Build systems for everything. Start small, document how you do one thing in your business, then move to the next. Soon, you'll have a playbook anyone can follow. The right people make all the difference. Here's another critical piece: building the right team. Let's revisit Jason's story. After creating his systems, he realized he needed people to run them. But hiring the right people wasn't easy. He had to learn the hard way that skill alone isn't enough. Jason started hiring based on two criteria: alignment with his company's values and a willingness to grow. These team members weren't just employees. They became partners in his vision. Think about it. If you hire the wrong people, your systems won't work, no matter how great they are. But if you hire the right ones, they'll take ownership, improve your processes, and drive your business forward. So, when you're hiring, don't rush. Take the time to find people who believe in your mission and are ready to grow with you. And remember, the best employees often come from recommendations or within your network, so always keep an eye out for potential talent. Automate, delegate, eliminate. Let's talk about Jason's next game changer: automation. By using the right tools, he was able to automate repetitive tasks like scheduling, invoicing, and even marketing. And here's where it gets interesting. Jason also learned the art of delegation. He stopped doing things that others could do 80% as well as him. Why? Because perfectionism was holding him back. But that's not all. Jason took it one step further by eliminating tasks that didn't add value. Every quarter, he'd review his processes and cut out anything that wasn't helping his business grow. Automation, delegation, elimination. It's a simple formula that will transform how you run your business. And with so many tools available today, like CRM systems, project management platforms, and AI, there's never been a better time to embrace automation. Build to sell, even if you don't want to. Now, here's a mindset shift that might surprise you. Jason started building his business as if he were going to sell it, even though he had no plans to. Why? Because when you build to sell, you focus on creating value that doesn't depend on you. Think about it. A buyer wants a business that runs itself. So, Jason created systems, built a strong team, and focused on long-term growth. The result? Not only did his business become sellable, but it also became sustainable. Even if you never sell your business, adopting this mindset will set you up for success. By imagining your business through the eyes of a buyer, you'll identify areas for improvement and create a stronger foundation. The freedom formula. Here's the ultimate takeaway from Jason's journey. Freedom comes from letting go. He stopped trying to control every detail and started trusting his systems and team. And in doing so, He unlocked financial freedom and time freedom. Building a business that runs without you isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about creating a vision, building systems, and empowering others to carry it forward. Once you do that, you won't just have a business. You'll have a thriving empire. This formula applies to any business, from online stores to consulting agencies. The key is setting it up in a way that can operate without your constant involvement. The power of resilience. But here's the thing. Jason's journey wasn't always smooth. There were setbacks. There were days when the systems didn't work, when clients weren't happy, and when he thought about throwing in the towel. But through every challenge, Jason stayed resilient. He understood that every business, no matter how automated, needs a strong leader. It wasn't about avoiding mistakes. It was about learning from them and adapting. As you build your business to run without you, you'll face obstacles. But remember, those obstacles aren't there to stop you. They're there to teach you. So, as you set up your systems, hire your team, and automate processes, stay resilient. Expect bumps along the road, but trust that they'll lead you to a better business and more freedom in the long run. So, what's the next step for you? Take a hard look at your business and ask yourself, are there tasks you're holding on to that someone else could handle? Have you documented your processes so others can follow them? Are you building a team that shares your vision? What can you automate or eliminate today to make your workload lighter? Remember, the goal isn't just to make money. It's to create a life you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with others who are ready to build their dream business. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.